ERD received this Genmark Robot from a large power semiconductor manufacturer in New Jersey. This facility had experienced flooding, and this is one of the parts of their Veeco MOCVD system that was damaged by this event. The metal organic chemical vapor deposition is a process for growing crystalline layers to create complex semiconductor multilayer structures. We had repaired a number of units damaged in this event, but this one had not been used for over a year, which meant this system had a lot of corrosion covering it. The replacement unit from Genmark had a 26-week lead time, and they needed to run this machine right away, so ERD was tasked with repairing the issues and fully restoring the robot to full running order. ERD pulled together a team to handle this process quickly, and we were able to completely refurbish and fully test this robot within 2 weeks. This is in spite of the extensive corrosion issues in both the robot and controller. The video shows the robot being run through all its functions, and as it would be used in the Veeco system.